How to play unlimited time on GeForce Now. Now, first thing to be reminded is we are not going to download any third-party softwares or anything or any attachments that we are downloading or using for us to be able to play unlimited time on this platform. Now, the first thing that we'll do is just let's go ahead and try and choose any games here. So let's click on play. So as you can see, we are ahead of 110 players. So it's actually quite long. So for us to be able to make that maybe shorter, around 5 or 10, just go back and click on quit. Now you're gonna be doing this multiple times just for us to be able to play on a certain country or region in which there are only few players that is playing. So to do that, just go to the three lines left side of the game's icon, go to settings, and from here, just scroll down a bit till you find server location right here. So we are currently at US Mountain. So you can hover around this country or regions right here. So just go ahead and change it. So once you change that, then go back to the games that you wanted to play and check for how many players we are currently ahead of. So earlier we are ahead of 110 players from the US Mountain. This one is actually quite the same. So let's go back and quit. Go back to the three lines and settings and change the server location to a different country or region. So you'll just have to do this multiple times so that you'll be able to check on what specific region or time zone in which there are only few players that is playing. So yeah, that's basically it. That's a technique that you will have to do for you to be able to play unlimited time on GeForce Now.